What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. What is going on, guys? What's happening? Hope you are doing well. We're back at the end of the week, and we're just going to run down what we got going on. If you haven't checked out my projects, do yourself a favor. The link is in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out, see what I got going on. All right, so let's get into it. We are on our website, Coffee and Coins here, and let's go through it real quick here. That's basically what we're doing. We're running down at the end of the week our projects, and if there's any news you can use, I'll let you know that as well. And we've done reviews on everything that we're talking about already, so you can go back to the channel and check them out if you want more details on a particular project. All right, so here we are. iCoinPro, of course. All is well here. It's steady growing. This program has been around since 2017. So for those of you that's interested in learning how to trade on your own, you want to get educated, all right, the right way and not these expensive costs. That there's a lot of programs out there that say they'll teach you how to trade, and I mean they're thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, guys. You can get that here with iCoinPro, and they show you how to do it in a simple way, and it doesn't cost a lot. You can get started for $99. All right, so learn, grow, succeed. Join our free trading boot camp. So before you even pay anything and get into that, you can actually get the free training. Okay, it doesn't cost you a dime to get started and just go through the boot camp. They give you so much value with just the free boot camp. That's what I did initially because I was curious to see what they actually provided. And the value you get is second to none. You have a Facebook group. The owners of the program, Justin and Paul, are awesome, amazing. The community is amazing. So go there, check it out. Go to coffeeandcoins.info, click this little button here, right here where it says send me the free crypto trading boot camp. See what it's all about. It's free. And then if you're not interested in trading, but you still want to earn crypto, you can share this program as an affiliate, guys, and earn commissions. They will pay you in crypto, or they can just pay you regular ACH. And you can join in crypto if you like. So this is a way, if you're interested in earning crypto, join iCoinPro. All right. And they have weekly webinars as well, or Zooms, if you will, Zoom calls, the overview to go over the program every Wednesday. All right, so go check it out. All right, what else we got going on here? LiveGood, our health and wellness program. I'm looking here at some notes because they mentioned a few things. I go and check out their Zooms on Friday that they have, but at any rate, health is wealth. All right, so everybody can use vitamins and things of that nature, okay, in their life. So this one is for everybody. Okay, you can get your supplements here, is what LiveGood likes to say, high quality, low prices. All right, so just by getting your membership for $9.95 a month, you're able to go to this website and get any products of your choice at a great low cost price. I like that I don't have to be on auto ship. I also like that they have these organic products. These are some of the products that I was buying anyway at our wholesale stores such as Costco, Sam's, etc. So for $9.95 a month, I can go here and get them at a better cost. All right, they got a lot going on, great stuff with LiveGood. So if you're interested in starting a business, this is another great way to start a business. That's what we have here, affiliate marketing. We're into digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and we show you different opportunities in which you can make money online. Okay, using your smart devices. All right. So this is one. It's only a $50 business, guys. $9.95 for your membership. All right. You're not required to have a auto ship. And then if you want to be an affiliate, all right, $25, right? So basically $50. You've got yourself a business. They provide the websites, your back office dashboard, all of that. And what they've got going on here, and this why I have this picture here, is for folks that's on these prescriptions, such as Ozempic type products, prescriptions. You can become a LiveGood member for $9.95 and get that prescription at a very low cost. You can save $100 to $300 on that prescription just because you're a member of LiveGood. All right. They also mentioned on their Zoom Friday they will be offering a traffic co-op. They're working on sales funnels for each and every product that they have. I really like that about them. That they've got this thing, and I can't believe, and I can believe it, but it's just unbelievable and amazing and incredible that the number of people they get to sign up every week. But in a sense, it's not, because it's only a $50 business. I've been in other health and wellness type programs, and you're required to keep an auto ship. You're required to buy those expensive products. And they're expensive because they need the affiliates. Most programs, they're expensive because they need those affiliates to sell the product so that they can pay them commissions. LiveGood doesn't work that way. Total the opposite. So anyway, they've got this traffic co-op. New sales funnels are going to be coming probably in the next 30 to 60 days. They're testing it out right now. And they are going to be offering also, which is pretty cool. It's not required, but what they're calling offering subscribe and save. If you get on the auto ship, it's not required, but if you get on the auto ship, you're going to save a little bit more money. All right. On your products. All right. So that's an option, but it's not required. But at any rate, you can start this business for $50, guys. Health and wellness. Everything you need is there, all the funnels, everything. All right. So LiveGood. I really like LiveGood, and they pay out every Thursday. Okay. So go check them out. Going well. All right. And for my cryptopreneurs out there, there is such a thing as a crypto Visa debit card by Spritz Finance. It's for the free $99. You can get that for you guys that's into crypto. I really like it. I like the tap to pay. They got an app. You can download it on Google Play or the Apple Store. You can buy crypto. You can pay your bills with it. Again, wherever Visa is accepted. All right. So go check that out. Come to this page, coffeeandcoins.info. Click this image, and you can get your free virtual Visa debit card. All right. Now, let's see what we got going on here with the crypto projects. Stable Swap is still private, guys. So, unfortunately, you can't get in that one. But it is definitely one of my most favorite programs at this time. It's doing what they say it was going to do. And they've got more things coming. I see they've got a Zoom tonight. So, I'm going to try to chime into that. But great one. So, nobody can get into that one. However, we've got Paca. It reminded me of Stable Swap. That's why I got started with it. So that's one you can go check out. And then, of course, Bruno X is one that I was in. I don't have any more current plans in there right now. But I had several plans. They've completed. But you can go check that one out as well. So those are the crypto projects. I wish there were more out there that was more stable, guys. Because that's really what I'm interested in. I'm not really interested in the hypes. So that's why I haven't added new crypto projects. But I'm definitely looking. And there's some things that I see that's coming with one of the projects that I am a part of. So we will keep you posted on those. But that's what we got going on. All right. For my digital products, we've got this program right here where you can discover the freedom of a 2-hour workday. You can earn up to $900 a day. Instant pay. One of my digital programs, e-learning courses. Well, it's not a course, but it's a program that teaches you how to start an online business using social media. All right. You can earn $100, $300, $600, and $900 commissions, guys. We've got over 30,000 members in the community. So this is a great opportunity if you're looking to expand and diversify, right? Especially for my crypto folks out there. You know, well, there's programs, they're coming and going, right? So it's great to have other options, things that's going to be around. Affiliate marketing, digital marketing. You get out here, you can post ads, you can run traffic. There's so many ways to do it, but this is a great program to check out. You can go there and check this one out as well. Step-by-step training, okay? Then we have one of our latest programs that we got started in, how to get the bag and earn $400 per day, instant pay, 100% check match. Now with this particular program, you're going to earn, let me go over to this page here. You're going to be earning, guys, instant commissions by your efforts, but you're also going to be earning this 100% check match on all your personal referrals. Okay, so that's one of the differences that my other 100% profit programs don't offer, is this check match. Okay, and that is incredible because you're able to leverage other people's efforts. Everybody that signs up with you, when they earn, you earn. Okay, big difference. Okay, so that is CMP, Content Marketing Pros. All right, so another way to earn instant commissions, because that keeps the cash flow going, right? And then now this particular program right here, Smart Desktop AI. Let's go over here. We still haven't got, well, let me say, not we. I haven't received the commissions as of yet. Now, I didn't check today, but I checked the last few days. And they're going to be mailing out a check, is what they're saying. But here's the update that they have in the dashboard now. USA, physical checks, wise payments, non-wise payments, and SDAI API. Software update in progress. Check back Sunday at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. We're making some major updates to the dashboard. If you already submitted your payment information, we have it and are in the process of merging it in the dashboard. We will have pending commissions and your payment information data merged with the dashboard by Sunday morning. If there was any delay in your payment being sent out, we will rectify that Monday morning. You will be able to continue updating your payment and mailing information. Additionally, we will be making available the forms to collect information for USA physical checks, wise payment details, and non-wise payment instructions by Sunday morning. We will also be releasing more information about Smart Desktop AI, API technology, and how you can use it in marketing campaigns and third-party app developments. All right, so that's the latest on that. But again, I haven't, and I'm in the school community for this program, and I haven't seen anybody post that they've gotten their checks yet either. So we shall see. I'll keep you guys posted. All right. Hopefully this can be resolved soon, so that we can start using this tool. I don't know. We shall see. I'll keep you guys posted, all right? All right, let's see what else we got going on over here. All right, so that's our the AI deal. Nothing's happening there. Let me look at my other program. Hang on a second. All right, and here's our third digital product, right? This one has, we've got 4 products here as well. You can get started, as you can see here, as low as $89 all the way up to $679. Instant commissions. You're getting training, guys. Instant digital products. These are all done for you. It comes with all the marketing ads. Your back office walks you through everything. Another digital program where you can earn. Now this one you earn 100% commissions, right? So with 3 steps. You pick one of those products, you get started. You can do social media, you can do paid advertising, whatever you decide. But the step-by-step guide is here for you. So that's 3 instant pay digital programs, okay, that I'm bringing to you that you can check out. And I haven't added this one to the Coffee and Coins. I need to do that, but the link is in the description for this one if you want to get started. They've got capture pages, emails, all these programs come with the marketing system, the autoresponder, all that's included. Okay, so this is another program. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, and then we also provide you with resources, right? So if you're struggling to make money online and you want to get some eyeballs to your opportunity, okay, of course you got social media, that's free, right? But then we also give you options here to do a little paid advertising, right? So here is a link here. If you come down here on coffeeandcoins.info, click this button where it says, are you struggling to make money online? Click this image, or even click right here. All right, see the line comes up, click there, it'll take you to the website, and you can get eyeballs on your opportunity pretty much in 24 to 48 hours, guys. These are people that have raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in making money online. Show me what you got, right? So this company will send traffic over to your website, okay? Then also on this page, we have our all-in-one marketing system. That's the system that I'm using, system.io. It's a free system. So if you click this link here, you can get your free system with your sales funnel, okay? Very user-friendly, all right? I had to convert over to them this year because I was using another system that just wasn't working anymore, all right? Wasn't getting my emails out, and a lot of things was going on. But system.io, I really like this one. It is newbie friendly and it's easy to navigate, so you can get your free system here. And then of course, traffic, another source, Viral Traffic Co-op. I've been talking to you guys about that as well. This is a great way to get traffic over to your site for a whole 30 days. It's different than solo ads. This right here is a solo ad company, right? So when you pay this, it's a one-time advertising, okay? You can advertise one time. If you go with the Viral Traffic Co-op, they're going to market for you for 30 days. They're going to put you in a rotator, and for 30 days, they're going to be rotating your link, okay? The last time I got with them was it last month. I was with them for the first time. I ended up with over 3,000 visitors, okay? So for a low, they got different packages, but for $25, you can get in this co-op for as low as. It goes up higher, but for as low as. So that's just another way in the background that you can be getting traffic and eyeballs to your website. All right, guys? So definitely go check that out, okay? Because that's the name of the game. You've got to get people to look at your offer. Bottom line, there's no way around it. Whether you're going to use social media and do it for free, or you're going to do paid advertising, but it has to be done. That's just what it is. All right. So that sums it up. That's where we are. Let me see if I missed anything here that I want to bring up. Nope. Just wanted to run those down for you. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.